We have to start with the chromosomes, no? Kung paano nagiging lalaki at nagiging babae ang isang nilalang. Pag X egg and also X sperm cell galing sa lalaki, babae ang mapoproduce. Pag Y sperm cell ay XY, lalaki ang mapoproduce. This is coded, no? Which is, we cannot manipulate this one. This was given by God to us. Ang issue ngayon, ano nangyayari sa development? Kasi pag XY combination, maraming testosterone mapuproduce and this will masculinize the brain. Pag XX naman, ang combination, feminizing hormone ang tinatawag. There are certain abnormalities that can happen due to nasobrahan siya sa inom siguro, no, habang buntis o kumakain na hindi dapat kainin or na-expose siya sa mga environmental things which are affecting the development of the brain. Could be due to radiation, and because of that, pag babae pwedeng highly masculinized ang kanyang brain, sa lalaki naman highly feminized. Kusang lalabas, pero we have to guide them. Posibleng trigger ay nakakita siya mga bata ring nag-join ng beauty contest, pero lalaki sila at nagdadamit ng mga pambabae. Pag bata pa lang sila, wala pa sexual orientation yan. Wala pa kasi kick-in ng sexual hormones. No? Nagkikick-in ang sexual hormones during puberty. At the age of 10 to 12, no, or 14. Una, physical attractiveness. Second, proximity. Kung sino yung malapit sa iyo, madali ka rin magka-crush. Next factor is reciprocity. Pag wala ka, hinahanap mo. May nagsusupplement, and last is familiarity. You feel good pag familiar ang tao sa iyo. Wow, alam niya yung favorite color ko. Alam niya yung favorite food ko. Binigyan niya ako ng drink. Ito yung favorite ko. Natutuwa ka. And because of that, mas attracted ka. The presence of the parents is very important. Bakit dumadami ang same-sex crushes? Mas dumadami OFW nagtatrabaho sa abroad at nawawalan ngayon ng father o mother image. To the point na wala nang magsasabi sa kanya kung ano ang tama at mali. Kaya pwedeng may disorientation na. Kaya napaka-importante ang guidance ng parents. Yung nakikita nila as role model. Pag nawawala isa, it can disrupt the normal development of sexuality of a child. Pwede natin tanggapin ang mga taong gustong magbago. It's on their own volition. Walang persahan. Gusto niya sabihin niya, hindi ko type ang ganitong nararamdaman ko. So, paano natin aayusin? No, you consult a psychiatrist or a psychologist for that. Very strong in the 70s or early 60s, ang behaviorism is just basically negative reinforcement and positive reinforcement ang ginagamit na prinsipyo. Plus, cognitive behavioral therapy, no? Na talagang dapat naiintindihan ng tao kung anong nangyayari sa kanya. Just a matter of talking to a psychologist who's ready to help you for the therapy. Yung gustong magbago, we're here to help people, no? Being psychologists, tutulungan po natin sila. Huwag na nating libakin or being judgmental at the same time being holy palagi. I'm holier than you, no? No, hindi ganun ang issue. Ang issue dito ay tulungan natin ang kapwa